by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Obey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward, right, step forward, left. You're now going to do a right mambo step forward, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and then you're going to do a left diagonal mambo cross, rocking your left foot back into the diagonal, recover onto your right, and then cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts, doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do side rock cross to the right and the left. So you're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to step out with our right foot into the right diagonal, step your left foot out into the left diagonal. We're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Left is crossed over right. You're rocking your right foot to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a 3/4 turning shuffle. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot next to your left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our right, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're rocking with the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do samba rock. So we're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. You're now going to cross your right over your left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a mambo together, rocking your left foot forward, recover back onto your right, and then step your left next to your right, slightly pushing your hips back. Weight will be on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our coaster step with our right. We're going to do our samba rocks. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your walk. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, diagonal, mambo cross. Side rock cross, out, out. Coaster step, rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle, rock, recover in your coaster step, cross samba rocks, cross samba rock, step, half pivot in your mambo together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the dance is going to end after your rock recover in section 3. So you're going to be facing the side wall. You'll do your rock recover, and instead of doing a 3/4 triple to face the back, you're just going to do a rock recover quarter chassé to end facing 12 o'clock. So now we're going to go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our walk forward. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back diagonal, mambo cross. Side rock cross, out, out, coaster step, rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle, rock, recover, coaster step, cross samba, step, half pivot, mambo together, walk 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk, walk, mambo, step, back, back diagonal, mambo, cross. Side rock, cross, out, out, coaster, step, rock, recover, 3/4 shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, step, cross, samba, rock, step, half pivot, mambo, together, walk, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you have learned it with the tutorial, you can go back to the start of the video and practice with the rear demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn Obey. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.